26 divided by 8. So how do we do this? We know we're going to get into the decimals, so we can just set it up where we can always add zeros after the decimal point when we're doing long division, and then everything after this point right here will be decimals, and we can just go ahead and put a decimal point up here because the decimal dots, the dots always line up, and now we can go from here. So 8 goes into 26 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. We subtract this and we get 2, bring down a 0. 8 goes into 20 how many times? Twice. 2 times 8 is 16. We subtract 20 minus 16 is 4. Bring down the 0. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 5 times 8 equals 40. And now we got no remainder. That means the decimals end right there and we are done. So the answer here is 3.25. All right, cool. Let's go on to the next question. We got 2 divided by 5. So same thing, 2 divided by 5. I'm going to set it up like this. And I'm going to add a couple decimals just in case. We may not even need to go that far, but let's do it just in case. Now, we can't divide 2 by 5. We can divide 20 by 5. So 5 goes into 20 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. We subtract and we are done. So our answer right here is just 0.4. Put a 0 in front as a convention. And we're good. Last question. 1 divided by 4. I'm going to add a 0.00 just like this. Now 4 goes into, can't go into 1. 4 goes into 10. Oh, let's make sure to put the dot on top. 4 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times 4 is 8. We do a subtraction. 10 minus 8 is 2. Bring down the 0. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. And there we go. We got no remainder. Our answer is 0.25 or 0.25.